Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a simple project which is going to be a numbers guessing game. So let's start off creating a scalar variable called my secret number, and we're going to assign this to 20 because this is going to be our secret number we're going to guess. Then we're going to create a subroutine called guess game. And now we're going to create a while loop with 1 here, because this is just going to bring up the loop again and again and again until we decide to exit the loop. Okay, so all we do then is print a message to the user, print enter number, and then we do some input to get the user input. So that's going to be my scalar number. I'm going to assign that to standard input, so we'll get the user input whatever number they type into there. And now we're going to come on to the conditional to evaluate it. So if the scalar number that the user typed into the input box here is equal to the secret number there, so the secret number is 20, so if the user types in 20, the secret number, we're going to give them a message saying print correct number, you win a prize. Okay, so what we're going to do now is create another subroutine called prize. Okay, so we're going to create that down here, which is going to be sub prize. Okay, or else if that's not the case, we're going to do something else. We're just going to print try again, and it'll continue with the loop. So what will happen is basically this is just going to be a loop that keeps going round until either the user guesses the secret number, and once the user guesses the secret number, it's going to take us down to this subroutine here. So I'm going to create a variable called my random win. So we're going to use the randomize module now. So I'm going to assign it to 10 because I want it to be from 10 plus integer. I want it to range from 10 and then ran, because we're going to be using random numbers. We generate a random number 491. So I want it to generate a random number between 10 and 500 here. Okay, so if we do that, we simply tell the user print you have won. Then we're just going to simply interpolate random win. I spot a problem there, not random win, and then after it simply dollars, so the user gets to win some money. Okay, and what we can do is, after that we can go back and we can play again. So guess game. We can return and play again. Let me just call that guess game. Okay. Okay, so we got enter a number. We know the lucky number is 20, so let's just enter 34. Okay, try again, so we're still in the while loop. 89. Try again, so we're still in the while loop. 20. Okay, so correct number, you win a prize. You have won $395. Let's just try that again, make sure the random number is working, which I know it is, but just to demonstrate it, let's say 2. Okay, let's try again. 20. Let's see how much we win this time. Okay, you've won $116 this time. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.